Hello friends, today we will discuss about anti-anginal drugs. Those drugs which prevent or terminate or abort angina, that is called anti-anginal drug. First of all, discuss in angina ischemia. Blood supply is less than blood demand. It's an ischemic heart disease characterized by chest pain due to accumulation of metabolites resulting from myocardial ischemia and produce chest pain. Next, angina pectoralis. On the basis of their symptoms and characterization, angina pectoralis categorized in two categories, that is classical, common, stable and atherosclerotic angina, and next prismatal, unstable, variant and vasospasmodic due to constriction. In case of classical angina, they are predictable. हम इसको आसानी से पहचान सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. Classical angina is provoked by exercise, emotion, eating, coitus and other stress condition. Means classical angina generate होता है continuous exercise without breaks. For example, athletes, emotions, overeating, and then subside the condition free from angina. Atheromatous, obstruction of large coronary vessels, that is atheromatous. In case of prismatic, vasospasmodic due to constriction in wall, major artery wall. These are unpredictable angina. It's occur at rest or during sleep due to recurrent, localized, occasionally diffused coronary vasospasm. In diagrammatic representation, normal case at rest when exercise increase blood flow in artery or vena. During classical angina, for example, formation of atheroma, when exercise blood flow does not increase due to obstruction in artery or venous valve. Prismatal and variant due to vasospasmodic condition, contraction and relaxation are reduced or diminished. Then after exercise blood flow does not increase. Drug used to treat angina. In case of angina, two types of drug are used. First of all, those drugs which treat the angina are complete treatment of disease, and the next category to prophylaxis of disease. That in two category, first of all, organic nitrate used as therapeutic drug, decrease preload of cardiovascular system, and then prophylactic drug, for example calcium channel blocker, beta blocker or miscellaneous drug, decrease work done of heart. Then organic nitrates. In organic nitrates, trinitroglycerin, erythritol tetranitroglycerin, pentaerythritol tetranitroglycerin, all our nitrates are used sublingually and in milligram 10 to 60 milligram oral. Maximum plasma concentration 2 to 3 minutes and duration of action in between 10 to 30 minutes. Inorganic nitrates, second category are cyclic and first is open chain organic nitrate. In cyclic, isosorbide mononitrate and isosorbide dinitrate, that is isosorbide dinitrate and isosorbide mononitrate. In case of organic nitrate, mode of action, organic nitrates take in sublingually denitrated in muscles to release NO free radical by presence of enzyme. That NO free radical activate cyclosylic guanosyl cyclase that result increase cyclic guanosyl monophosphate formation. After increment of cyclic guanosyl monophosphate formation, that dephosphorylize the myosin light chain kinase through CGMP dependent protein kinase, that is myosin light chain kinase. Then decrease availability of phosphorylated means activated myosin light chain kinase. Then prevent the contraction sliding of actin over myosin, then causes relaxation and free from angina. Effect on cardiovascular system. All anti-anginal drugs are effective but differ onset of action and rate of elimination. Very useful in angina, especially exercise, emotion or stress related or generated angina. At therapeutic dose, dilate large vessels, result in preload of blood in vein, decrease diminished preload of venous return to heart. Pharmacokinetic onset of action varies from 1 minute to 1 hour for isosorbide mononitrate used sublingually or transdermal patches. Avoid route of elimination. ADR, most common ADR in case of nitrate: headache, high dose postural hypotension, flushing and tachycardia. Interaction in case of cold countries climate, sildenafil also used. Then together nitrate causes sudden hypotension and patient death. Tolerance, desensitization to the vasodilation. To reduce tolerance, nitrate used as eccentric dosage form.